Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to unbox MI band straps. So this is my MI band watch and suddenly its strap had been broken. So I had purchased this straps new. So in this video I'm going to unbox this. Let's open this and see what's it inside. So I'm going to use a scissor to cut this package and we'll open that. So these are our straps and there is nothing inside except this. Let's open this. There are three straps. This is blue color and this is gray, or you can say white also, and this is black one. So let's see what is inside this. This is nothing but this is nothing. Look the price, but it is not of 1000. It cost me around 300 only, and it can fit it into mi band 3 and 4, and mine is having mi band 3. So let's remove this band strap which is broken, and we'll first insert blue one. So let's see how is this. It looks cool, so I'm going to wear and see you guys. These are holes. You have to put that needle into this, and this got fitted. So how is this? It is looking so much pretty, and this has given you three steps. You can change it in future. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe us